Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called the Father's Day Tablescape, and that's hosted by Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle. So now the co-hosts are at Penny's Place and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. I'm going to be listing the hosts and the co-hosts down below in my description box along with their channel links. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how we decorated our tables for Father's Day. Did you know that every time you click that like button and full watch the video, you help us YouTube content creators to grow on YouTube? So now if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. Click that subscribe button. Now I have already started decorating the tablescape outside on my enclosed porch. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I continue to put this tablescape together. So now this Father's Day and this tablescape I'm dedicating to my father, whom I lost at the age of 11. Dad, I miss you and I love you. This is for you. Okay, so why don't we start at the back end of the table where I have those beautiful vases along with that center display bowl. So the beautiful set of vases and the display bowl were DIYs. I'm going to try to go ahead and link the video below. Now we have the placemats, which I purchased at the Dollar Tree. Moving on to the plate, the dinner plate. That was one of their clear ones. I went ahead and decoupaged the stripe effect on the back of the plate. That came out absolutely gorgeous. Now those beautiful white salad bowls and the glassware was thrifted at the Salvation Army. Now the cloth napkins I purchased at Goodwill, and the napkin rings I went ahead and decorated with some nautical decor that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now those party utensils that are in the sleeve, I purchased that at the Dollar Tree, and those are beautiful. Okay, now we're all done. Let's take a closer look. I want to thank the hosts, Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle, and the co-hosts at Penny's Place and Deborah Cabasa Home Living for hosting this collab. Now the role of a dad is so important. Dad, I miss you and I love you. I think this tablescape, the atmosphere, the ambiance, all of it came out absolutely beautiful. Dad, this one's for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.